Rubber was first introduced in Ghana in 1898 as an ornamental tree in the botanical garden in Ebri. In 1930, some trial plantations were introduced in the western region, and in the early 1950s, the first industrial plantation was set up through a joint venture. Today, the Accra Diocese of the Anglican Church of Ghana, as part of its pillars of financial sustainability and social impact, has taken up the initiative of cultivating a rubber plantation to achieve its goal and also to serve as a form of support of government's One District, One Factory initiative. In a courtesy call and meeting with the Agri Development Bank's directors, attended by some officials of the Anglican Secretariat in Accra, the Lord Bishop of the Anglican Church of Accra, Right Reverend Dr. Daniel Sylvanus Mensah Torto, highlighted the need for the project, calling on the bank to support the church in embarking on this very important project.
We have put our head into this very project, done all that we need to do in terms of visibility, in terms of background information. We've got everything. Where we are now is the financing of the project, for which, believing that ADB is an agricultural bank and they are into this kind of business, we are here to discuss with you to see how best you as institution can help us to achieve this goal and also support Ghana government in its quest for economic stability.
The Diocesan and Synod Secretary of the Anglican Diocese of Accra also threw light on the need for the Agri Development Bank to aid the church in funding this project.
Acres for the project, but that land is under the Land Commission of Central Region. We've been there, we've talked to them, and they've given us the price that we need to pay, and then the amount that the chiefs will ask us to pay, and some compensations that we pay for some crops on the land. We've talked to them seriously, and we've gone very far. Frankly, we've done our feasibility report. I think we were here once. We met one gentleman. I think Alan is in charge of agribusiness and rubber and the GM, yes. Wow. So we talked with his team, and they were so elated with our proposition. But where we had a snag is we don't have the required funds to pay for the land. The total amount that we need to pay is about 1.2 million Ghana cedi. That is what we need to pay. But we don't have that money upfront. And so that's where the block came in after talking to ADB. But then the gentleman was so much interested, he wanted us to be in business with ADB. And we told him that maybe we talked to KFW, the German financiers, who want to partner with ADB. They are ready to finance when it comes to the foreign components. But then the snag is the land acquisition fund. We don't know if ADB has something that we can come in. We don't know. In fact, maybe the treasurer can help us when it comes if we need a loan to acquire the land, and then we take off from there. We don't know. In fact, we are a bit gray at that point. That's why we've come here to meet the top management of ADB. We don't want to go down there. We want to come up and talk, man to man, woman to man. That's why we are here this morning. So, Tramania,
Yeah.
The director of the Agri Development Bank, flanked by some other top management executives of the bank, was pleased by the intention and the call by the bishop and his team. He indicated the support of the bank and his belief in the church.
Financial institution also providing funding for the agreements, the funds. It's a well-established institution or arrangement. But I must say that the church coming in is a good opening for this whole arrangement, and it's going to add some sort to the arrangement.
The director of the ADB acknowledged that churches do not have a ready fund sitting for such projects. However, due to long-lasting relationships with the Orthodox churches, such as the Anglican Church, who fall within Class A of the bank's clientele, there would be no need for a string of bureaucracy. The bank is therefore ready to fund the project.
I don't think currently we have any church doing in the don't. So, through the Anglican Church is opening a new door in this, and we are going to collaborate with you seriously. Maybe for other churches to emulate in future when they see what an Anglican Church is doing. And I think this is something that will be echoed everywhere. We are praying that God will find His blessing in this for us to move, for the whole Ghana to see, and other African countries to emulate. Because ADB takes.
After a successful meeting, the Lord Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Accra expressed gratitude to the bank and its directors for the opportunity given, adding that this was the bank's New Year gift to the church.
Thank you so much for this assurance. I know nitty-gritty will work out by your team and my team for us to move forward. So we are most grateful. And this is the New Year package you are giving to us. Easter package as well. Very Christ is risen. Our plantation is risen.